How would I describe the middle school? I would describe the middle school as a place for kids to come in and really experience all different parts of Trinity. It's a time for them to really explore and figure out what things they love. Maybe they can. Lots of times kids come in thinking they're a football player and find out they love drama or violin or something else. And so it's really a chance for them to do that and also build a lot of the base skills that they need as they move forward. Middle school is really that time where students build the skills that they need to be successful in upper school and ultimately beyond. So they really spend time working on how to take notes effectively, how to study for tests and for exams, how to work in cooperative groups, how to follow the timeline for a project, all those different kinds of skills that you need for the school and for their move to upper school. And so they usually really get a good basis in those as they get ready.
Okay, when asked about the academics in the middle school, I would have to say that we have a very rigorous curriculum. A lot of what we do in middle school is much more advanced than what you would find other places. We are preparing our students not only for college, but for life.
My favorite part of the middle school is being the oldest right now on campus, and some of my favorite activities is playing sports after school.
My favorite part of middle school are all the nice teachers, and to make the transition here really easy where everybody always helping me out.
Visit Trinity Prep at 5700 Trinity Prep Lane, Winter Park, Florida, 32792, and contact us at 407-671-4140 or email us at inquire@trinityprep.org.